So once you find the section you want to edit, click on the Edit button at the top of the section. This will take you to the edit window for the page. Scroll down to the section where you want to add your entry. Now it's time to write your entry. Make sure to write in a neutral tone and provide reliable sources to support your information. For this page, I'm going to add information from the official website of British Council. You can use the formatting tools provided in the edit window to make sure your entry looks neat and organized. When adding information to Wikipedia, it's important to provide reliable sources to support your claims. To add a citation, I'll copy this reference tag from another section and paste it alongside the piece of information I've added. Make sure to add an open and closing tag to ensure good formatting. Between the references tags, I just copied the URL of the British Council page and pasted it. After you've written your entry and added your sources, it's time to save your changes. Before you do that, make sure to preview your changes to ensure everything looks as you intended. Once you are satisfied, click the Save Changes button. Now, we have successfully added an entry to a Wikipedia page. Remember, Wikipedia is a collaborative platform, so others may edit your entry in the future. But by providing reliable sources, you can help ensure that your contribution is a valuable addition to the page.